Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up CyberGhost VPN on a Samsung Smart TV in 2025. Since Samsung TVs don't support VPN apps directly, we'll go through 3 easy methods so you can unblock content like Netflix, Hulu, and more. Method 1, using CyberGhost Smart DNS. This is the easiest way to get started. Here's how. First, sign up for CyberGhost on your computer or mobile device. Go to the CyberGhost website, log in, and navigate to VPN, Smart DNS. Click Activate IP address next to your real IP. Choose a DNS server address for the platform you want to connect to. On your Samsung TV, press the menu button and go to Network. Network Status, IP Settings, DNS Settings. Enter manually. Enter the DNS server address from CyberGhost and save your settings. This allows you to unblock streaming content on your TV. Keep in mind, this method does not encrypt your data, so it's mainly for streaming. Method 2, set up CyberGhost VPN on a router. If you care about full privacy and encryption, setting up CyberGhost on your router is the best option. Here's what to do. Sign up for CyberGhost and log into your dashboard. Go to VPN, Configure Device, Manual Setup. Pick a protocol and country, then save your configuration. Download the configuration files, open your router's admin panel, and set up a new VPN connection using the downloaded files. Connect your Samsung TV to the VPN-enabled Wi-Fi network. Now your TV is fully protected, and you can access blocked content securely. Method 3, share CyberGhost VPN from your computer. If your router isn't compatible, you can share the VPN connection from a Windows or macOS computer. Install CyberGhost on your computer. Go to Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings. Right-click the CyberGhost network adapter and open Properties Arrow Sharing tab. Check Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection, then select the correct home networking connection. Connect your Samsung TV to this shared network. And that's it. Your Samsung TV is now using CyberGhost VPN.